Hi, I'm Attila, and today we will explore how diverse coatings can transform your tabletting operations. Did you know that the right coating on your tabletting tools can significantly optimize your production process? Our range includes a wide variety of coatings and materials designed to cater to numerous applications. Whether you are dealing with sticky formulations or abrasive ingredients, we have the right solution for your needs. One of our key advantages is the ability to minimize sticking issues. Coatings that prevent adhesion can save you significant time and reduce waste during production. For those working with particularly abrasive products, our broad spectrum of specialized coatings ensures prolonged tool life and consistent tablet quality. With our advanced coatings, you can achieve more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective production. Visit our website and contact us today to find the perfect solution for your applications.
Fette Compacting. Together for quality of life.